Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Litecoin. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right in here and I said, look, we may see a move up in LTC, but that might be into a C leg of a flat structure, and after it's over we may see another move down, and I think we need to be a bit patient and careful. So what happened? I still believe this is a flat structure, but now I'm gonna say this is a running flat to around this point right in here, and unfortunately in this area bulls were not really that strong. Bears were in full control and sent the price down. Now I am recording this video about 24 hours earlier, so you are seeing at the moment some more price action in Litecoin in here, but the focus of today's video is not really going to be on the short term. You see, I want to check out the midterm structures, and I think in Litecoin, it all kind of comes down to a very important support area. I cannot stress it enough just how important this is, because this is from monthly, weekly, daily, and H4 time frame at the same time, between, let's say, $75 to about $83. Now, I do not want to see, under any kind of circumstances, Litecoin getting a break of this unbelievably important level. Why is that? Because under here, we really do not have a whole lot of strong supports. And if we get a break of this support area, God forbid, at that point, I'm gonna say in LTC, we may actually see some sort of a capitulation event, maybe like a 30 to even 50% move on the downside in order to take this low about, let's say, $50. And even if in here we're not really going to show some strength, at that point our move down is going to continue, and in it, you know what I'm about to say, we may take even the lowest low down here about, let's say, $41. So breaking this unbelievably important support area might actually trigger a series of catastrophic events in Litecoin. That's why I want to say this is very important. We must not get a break of this support, okay? I cannot stress it enough just how important this is, and for the next week or two, all eyes should be on this area, because I believe this might be the make it or break it level. Get a very strong bounce back off of it in form of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to see me being extremely optimistic in Litecoin. And again, as long as we are staying above here, I am going to remain cautiously optimistic in LTC. But the moment that we get a very solid impulse off of this region, I am going to be able to be bullish with a hell of a lot of more confidence. So for now, all eyes on this support and see what is going to happen to it. And let's pray that we don't break it. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in LTC's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.